Welcome to Rubab's Kitchen Secrets. Today I am showing you how to make homemade cream cheese. Silky smooth and creamy taste. It's easy, delicious, and healthy. Let's make it. First, take 1 kilogram milk. Stir occasionally. Check with finger. If your finger bears the heat, then turn off the flame. At this point, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. After adding 1 tablespoon, stir slowly. Milk curdles slightly. Now add 2nd spoon of vinegar. Repeat the same process. I am adding 3rd spoon of vinegar. Now water separated. Drain off the curdled milk. Wash it with some cold water. Press the cheese and drain excess water. Now take a blender jug. Put all the cheese into the jug. A 1/4 teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of butter. Blend for 30 seconds. Add 2 tablespoons of milk. Blend until smooth. See, it's so creamy and smooth. Now put the cream cheese in any airtight container. Cover the container and refrigerate for at least 3 to 4 hours. Silky smooth homemade cream cheese is ready. Enjoy homemade tasty cheese spread. This cheese can also be used for cheesecakes.